Hello, friends, wherever you are in the world, a huge shout out to you for supporting the channel. Today, we are going to barbecue some baby bok choys. I'm going to use 6 baby bok choys. So, what we need to do is to cut the stem at the bottom off, if there is any. That's the hard part. And then cut the bok choy from the middle. This is a very good thing to barbecue when you go outside on picnic or in your garden, and if you do it on the charcoal, you will actually get the smoky one that is very delicious, and you can have it as a side dish. Very good vegetarian food. Since we are inside, we are going to barbecue them in the oven. And I will first cut them and wash them, and then I will make a marinade to brush on them. So they are all ready now. I'm going to put them in a strainer and wash them and make sure there is nothing between the leaves. Now I've washed them all, and I'm gonna leave them to get a bit drier and drop the extra water in them. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare the marinade. We are going to use 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce. If you don't have Szechuan sauce, you can use pomegranate sauce. And if you're using balsamic vinegar, you gotta use a little less, because it makes it very sour. Now we also use 2 tablespoons full of rice wine or cooking wine. It can be alcoholic or non-alcoholic, suit yourself. And a tablespoon of sesame seed oil. If you don't have that, you can use anything else you want. We also add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now we mix everything together. Now we are adding 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and about 6 garlic chopped. The amount I'm making is for 6 bok choys. If you have more, then you need to make more marinade. Now I'm going to add some red pepper flakes. This depends on you, how much you want to add. The more spicy you want it, then you add more. We add a little bit of salt. Don't add too much because soy sauce is also salty. So marinade is ready. Now we put a parchment like this one on the baking tray and lay the bok choys inside up, because we're gonna marinate them and we marinate the inside. So we use a brush to brush the marinade all over it. We preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade, which is approximately 350 Fahrenheit. Oven is ready now, so when we finish marinating, we are gonna put them in the oven. I'm trying to cover as much as possible. Now we are going to put it in the oven on the middle rack. Now here it goes into the oven. And we keep watching through the window. Anytime we see it's beginning to turn dark, then it's cooked and ready, like now. So I'm going to transfer them onto a serving dish. And I add some extra marinade on top of it, or we use some Szechuan sauce or pomegranate sauce. And here it is. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.